Hey, today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on this 1999 Daihatsu Hijet. The Hijet originally comes with Denso spark plugs, however we're going to be using NGKs. You can rather use the 2756 part number or the 5553s. They're almost the exact same spark plug. First we're just going to remove the 6 bolts holding on the engine cover. Then we'll just take the driver and passenger seat up. Okay, so next I'm going to be removing the ground cable right here, and then the 10mm bolts holding this cover on. Alright, one more right here. Now to get the bottom two 10mm bolts. Next we're just going to take the cover off. And here are the coil packs. Next we're just going to take the coil pack clips off. You're just going to pull here and then slide it out. This one I already have clipped out. And then you just slide them out like that. And then the next one, like that. There. You can move the harness to the side. Now we're just going to use the 10mm socket to take the coil packs out. Last one. And now we just pull these out. Just like that. Now we're just going to get a standard spark plug socket with some extensions. So these actually had BKR 6E11s. So we're just going to be putting the same ones back. Alright, and now we're just going to do the same thing to all three. And then the last one. Alright, now we can put the coils back in. Okay, and then the screws. And the last one. Alright. Next we'll be putting the connectors back onto the coil packs. And now the cover. And then the last one. Alright. And lastly, just put the ground cable back on. Before I end the video, I would like to show how the coil packs are laid out on this 2-wheel drive Hijet. So there's going to be 2 different styles. This is almost the same, except the clip is on top as opposed to the side like it was on the 4-wheel drive. So just keep that in mind if it does not look the same on yours. And this is the coil pack layout on the 4-wheel drive. You can see there's a cover, and it's a little bit lower. This is the one we did the service on. If you just purchased a Hijet, I would definitely recommend doing the service to prevent any sort of engine problems in the future. And if this video helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next repair. Damn it. And if this engine... say something really quick.